Now start today's practical common statistical fallacies. Practical 16. Comment on each statement stating with reason whether you agree or disagree or partially agree. Question 1. Incidence of cardiovascular diseases in the persons who were in executive cadre was found to be 30%, and the same was found to be 10% in the persons who were working as clerks. Hence, a clerk runs only one-third the risk of getting cardiovascular diseases. Then answer: first, population size is not given. Average age of executive person is more than clerk. Third, diet pattern, lifestyle are different in both groups. Cardiovascular diseases is also related to age and sex. We don't know the match or not. Then question second. Only 10% of road accidents in a city occurred due to female drivers, and that is because they drive more carefully. Answer: I disagree because total number of female drivers is less. Second, type of vehicle is not mentioned. Third, condition of vehicle is not mentioned. Location of city is not mentioned. Age of drivers is not mentioned. Question third, 5-year follow-up study of 5-year follow study of breast cancer cases who were given operative treatment of chemotherapy show that of the patients who were given operative treatment, 60% were still alive, as against only 30% who received chemotherapy. This clearly shows the superiority superiority of the operative treatment as against chemotherapy. Answer: I disagree because stage of cancer is not mentioned. Experience of doctor giving treatment is necessary, which is not mentioned. Diet pattern, lifestyle are different in both groups. Chemotherapy is secondary treatment than operative. Age and duration of treatment is not mentioned. Example 4. In a study of hepatic nuclear patients, it was found that 55% belong to blood group O, 25% to A, 50% to band, 5% to group AB. Thus, a person belonging to blood group O is more likely to develop hepatic nuclear than a person belong to any other group. Answer: I disagree because population of sample is not given. Lifestyle could have been different and not mentioned. Other factor not mentioned. Particular never depend on blood group of patient. It is depend on factors like diet pattern, lifestyle. Question 5. In a certified school at Shurur, the prevalence of night blindness was observed to be 40%. Therefore, night blindness is a major health problem in Pune district. Answer: I disagree because the student social economy status is not mentioned. There is maybe possibility of awareness about vitamin A deficiency. You cannot generalize the observation from one school of one taluka to other in the district. Sample size is not mentioned. Population under study seems too small to conclude for whole district. Example 6. Influenza broke out on June 10th in a town of 10 lakhs inhabitants and caused 100 deaths within 3 days. Vigorous control measures were taken to stop the spread of infection, and among these measures was inoculation of the population with anti-influenza vaccine. In inoculation process at study rate 1 lakh inhabitants were inoculated by July 10th. When the outbreak to an end, the number of cases of influenza among the inoculated and uninoculated during the month was found to be 300 among the 1 lakh inoculated and 4,600 among the 9 lakh uninoculated. This proves the efficacy of anti-influenza vaccine. Answer: I disagree because influenza is infection diseases and with with its preventive measures are taken or not is not mentioned. People are not exposed to disease for same duration. Among vaccinated persons, occurrence of influenza is not of inaugural magnitude, so we can't say vaccine is fully efficient against influenza. Example 7, question 7. In Pune, there were 50 there were 50 deaths due to cancer in 2000. In 2019, there were 250 deaths due to cancer. Thus, rapid industrialization of Pune has led to five-fold increase in cancer mortality. Answer 7. I disagree because population size has increased from 2000 to 2019. Industrialization is not main causes of death to the cancer. Type of cancer is not mentioned. The, the diagnostic facility have improved. Cancer occurs mostly among certain age group and sex of individuals that are not mentioned. Causative agents are not mentioned. Therefore, only industrialization cannot be held for increasing cancer death. Question 8. Volunteers were invited to study the efficiency of topical application of fluoride. On completion of study, it was found that the caries, incidence of caries in this group was significantly less than that in general population, which shows that fluoride gives protection against caries. I disagree because sample size age group is not mentioned. Dental caries are related with diet type, hygienic habits which are not mentioned. Average age of volunteer and their lifestyle is not mentioned. Thank you very much.